Hi guys, I am Biswajit. I have 14 years of IT services and product development experience. I started my career as a Java developer and moved through various positions. I have been working in various roles like Scrum Master, Project Manager, and Program Manager. I understand the transition between a team lead to Scrum Master, a project manager's transition to program manager. I would be talking about Agile, Scrum, Safe Agile implementation, test management, project management, and program management in my videos. Today we will be talking about GET and POST request creations using the Postman, and for that I have got two links, one for two for GET request and one for POST request. Hi, in the second phase of the Postman, uh, where we are going to create a request, one with GET, one with POST, and how we are going to deal with that, we are going to learn here. So we can create a request by clicking on this create a request, or we can just click on the plus sign where we can start the request. So once I click on the plus sign, you can see there is a drop down here where all the HTTP request types are there: get, post, put, patch, delete, copy, head. So all the things what we want to do, we can do it. Now coming to get request, I will do a get request with a link. So this is my input link which is having a get request. Now if I will click on the send, then the request has been sent and it has got me a result. So you can see the body. Inside the body, the page number is 1 here and per page 6 and total 2. So total page is 2. And here I can see the first page results of ID, email, first name, last name, and all the statuses that is required. Company status code weekly, URL, and the text. So this is my first request which I have created and ran through. Here, if I want to run with, let's say, some key value, so what we can do is we can insert a key here which is query parameters. To do that, I will page and I will keep the value 2. Okay, so you can see this query parameter has been added to here. You can see the page number is 1 till now and we have total pages 2, so I am going for the next page. So once I click on this, you will see the page 2, the data has changed, page 2, page per 6 and total page 2. Now you can see the ID starts with 7 and goes on till ID 12. So now you can see that I am not only able to get the result in using HTTP GET request, but I am able to use the query parameters key and value pair, and just so you can see here the status is 200. Okay, standard response for successful HTTP requests. So now we'll move to create one post request. I will again click on the plus sign and here I'm checking for post request. So I'm going to put my post request here and then I'll click on the body. You can see raw. I don't have anything here, so I'm going to select raw with JSON. Then I will copy paste the data. Here I'll make changes. I'll say Biswajit Hame, Agile leader. Let's say ID is 212 and created at, so I'll give 29th as the current time. Now I will click on the send. So we can see here our status is 201 created. The request has been fulfilled and resulted in a new resource being created. The data that has been gone into is this one. So this makes the completion of a GET request, a POST request, and the second page of